I'm Sejal from MajiraArt, and today I will show you how to reuse your wine corks to make some very easy, simple crafts. The first one is a place card holder, and for this all we need is some wine corks and a serrated kitchen knife. I like the serrated knife because it prevents the knife from slipping as you're making a slit for the place card holder. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here I have a wine cork, and first decide which side you would like to face the front, and I like the side that has the name of the winery to face the front. So I will make the side of the wine cork that goes to the bottom flat so it does not keep rolling. Okay, so just take a serrated knife and just slice from top to bottom in a back and forth action. And slice it all the way to the bottom. You can flip it and make it even on both sides. Okay, see, so that's flat. And now it stays in place. Okay, and now we need to make a slit on the top to put the place card in. Okay, so to make the slit, I'll take the serrated knife and then in a back and forth action, cut a slit on top. And I will make it a little wide for the paper to go in nicely, and not too wide that it falls off. But just take a slight sliver, thin sliver off of it. Okay, and there you have it. Here's the slit. And now you can place the card holder, the name card holder, securely in the slit. And like you can see, it's nicely secured. It will not fall off. And the cork will be nice and flat, so it does not roll off. And there you have it, your very beautiful place card holders for any wine-themed parties to give it a rustic look.